Six Flags Great America, one of Six Flags' most premier parks that they have, has 14 coasters and one wooden dueling coaster that I would like to talk about today. American Eagle has been a topic for many people to talk about for the past few years, getting RMC'd, but today I would like to tell you why we can see a Giga being replaced, even though they have Raging Bull. In Canada's Wonderland, they have Behemoth and Leviathan, but in Great America, I think that we can see a replacement of American Eagle with a Giga. Let me talk about it in today's video. Let's get into this. What's up guys, Cam here, and today I will be telling you why I think American Eagle has the possibility of being turned into a Giga coaster. Now before we get into this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and go watch my other videos about Gigas coming to the park. But let's get straight into this. Six Flags Great America. I am not very oriented with this park. I do not know a lot about this park personally. I live near the west coast, so Magic Mountain, probably Fiesta, Texas, but I know nothing about Six Flags Great America. I know they have Battle for Metropolis, that's about it. But I would like to talk to you guys about the American Eagle being turned into a Giga. Now, I know this has been talked about for a while. Being turned into an RMC is the big talk. American Eagle is one of the most popular and most iconic coasters in the world. Its big white structure being like Colossus, which got turned into Twisted Colossus. So what they might have in store is American Eagle being turned into a RMC dueling wooden coaster, which I'm not gonna lie, that would be really cool. But right now, I just don't think that with the combination of Cedar Fair and Six Flags, that has as big of a possibility as a Giga coming to the park. And we know that Cedar Fair is pushing for Gigas. We've seen Fury, Leviathan, Intimidator, Millennium Force, and what's the final? Orion be a Giga. And now with the combination of Six Flags and Cedar Fair, we can see more Gigas coming to the park, like Magic Mountain, Fiesta, Texas, probably over Georgia, and now Six Flags Great America. Now, there are some pros and cons to this. The biggest pro is that it's a Giga. The park could really use a Giga. They already have Raging Bull, but a Giga would work really well in the place of American Eagle. It's right next to Raging Bull, which is a good sightline. And then there's the Sky Coaster that really kind of ruins the view of American Eagle. That wouldn't be much of a problem when it comes to this ride. And then another thing I would like to talk about is that RMCs would basically be like, they're about the same type. Well, no, I don't know what I'm getting myself into. What I'm saying is cost. Cost is a very interesting topic when it comes to Gigas. They cost a lot, but they also give back a lot. Gigas are very good for business. And if you go to Giga, you earn more money. And that's more people coming into the park, it's more money. And that means it basically gets paid off in about 2 or 3 years. So that is one pro, and then another pro is that this ride does not have much of a high ridership. It's very low when it comes to ridership, but it does not really have a big fan base. So if they were to turn this into a ride, I think many would be happy. And another thing is space. Why space? Well, it's actually, there's a lot of space for work. They created enough space where Great America has literally enough space to to build the Giga just in like half of American Eagle's plot, because they've built it so well that American Eagle could take so much space that it just works so much, like the wood coach idea really fit well. And then another pro is that this park already has a they I think it has a life. They are. And they also have a wood. So there is just a lot of wood, and the area has a lot of space. As you can see on my screen right now, I have located every spot that you're able to go to. And from the looks of it, there is a lot of space to work with. Could even extend out here. We could get this whoa. You could have a lot of space to work with right now. Again, this sounds really cost. Cost. This costs a lot of money to go through this. It costs a lot of money to tear down. It would cost less to unsee it, but we will. And then another thing around this ride is specifically made for its terrain. It may be on flat land, but there's holes in the ground for this ride specifically to make the drop larger. The terrain part of it, and then there is really nothing else bad about it. They really don't have much of a problem with getting a Giga. It fits in perfectly with the park. With bringing more people, it would just get a lot more things about it good. But what do you think? Tell me down in the comments below what you think about this ride. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on all of those notifications. And I will see you all in the next one. Goodbye.